remember you telling me that when you went around Africa, that the captain would always have two girls.
Well, they usually...
everyone else would have one. How did that work?
There was no problem. There might be other guys in the ship that have had two girls too, I don't know. There was a big boat, there was from the Rotterdamse Lloyd, that was the Wonosari. But it is in the book, I give you the book,
Okay,
so that
yeah.
show you all the
Yeah.
thing. And then also from Africa, then you usually went to the... Been a couple of times to Panama Canal too,
So
around there
Yeah.
too.
So where did you have what's the, at that time when you were going around Africa, what was the best place to be in at that time?
Oh, it's very hard to say.
Where did you have the most fun?
Well, I think Lorenzo Marcus was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice people. Yeah, and Mombasa was very good too, I must say that. Yeah.